Hello and welcome to today's video. This is a progress update on the 1995 Solectria E10. And over the weekend, well, it is still the weekend, I worked on the motor. I took the back cover off and adjusted the encoder. So now, if we flip her on here, put her in gear, and I'm going to snake you down in here, hopefully, so you can see the motor, and I'll give her a little throttle. Regen to a stop, so she's nice and smooth now. So yeah, that guy's working now. And we'll go ahead and shut it down. So, went ahead and adjusted that, and let me go ahead and unplug my test cable here, and really hard to do one-handed, but we'll make it happen. And if I get this back in, and good enough. Good enough for the test we're about to do. Okay, so the other thing is, if you remember in the last video, the throttle was stuck 100% on all the time. I found where that was. It was located underneath the center console here. I've already buttoned it up, but underneath in the center console there's a, where the pot signal came in, there was a wire break. Went ahead and fixed that, and we go ahead and I've got it on here, so this isn't live. I got to turn on the car. Now we're live. So you can see, if I get close enough here, we're commanding negative 86 amps. If it'll focus. There you go, negative 86 amps. With this is full regen, and then I'm go ahead and push the throttle. So there's the midpoint, about a quarter of the travel, and then we go all the way to the floor. Now we're commanding 227 amps. So it looks like we've got throttle control now. It's the same for both drives. So I'm just hitting it back and forth here, but that also means that we are now ready. We'll go ahead and put her in gear. Give her a little throttle. You can see they're both a-spinning. Doesn't take much. So that's all working. So, oh, the speedometer works too. Let me get some throttle here. I don't want to push it too hard, but you can see the hopefully you can hear the RPMs going up. The RPM gauge, of course, doesn't work because I think that's actually mechanical, but the speedometer is what gets the signal from the drives. If it was hooked up, they'd be the same. And the motors go up to 12,000 RPM, so it wouldn't do very much good when the gauge only goes to 7, but get a little gas again here. I have regen turned on. If I turn off regen, that's what this switch here in the middle is. It's unlabeled. I might throw some labels on there. Go ahead and do that again. Now I let up off the throttle and see I don't have regen on anymore. And you can kind of see right now we're doing, what's it say, 700, 650, 600 RPM, 550, so on and so forth. So we're spooling down. Oh, and I don't know if you noticed, but on the center console, the voltmeter's working now. Woohoo! It was actually connected up, everything was wired right, but unfortunately a resistor had gone bad in it. So I replaced both 150K resistors, and voltmeter is now working. It is actually accurate. There's a couple pots in there. I adjusted it, re-zeroed and respanned it, so it should be good. I can let me turn on regen here. Oops. There you go. So you don't have those guys spinning the whole time. The bearings on the motors are really, really good. They coast forever. Yeah, it looks like everything's working. I am going to put the belts in, and we'll go for a test drive and hopefully not get pulled over because I have no license plates. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.